Hi, it's Handy Val. In this video I'll be changing the key fob battery for my 2009 Audi A3, but this same key fob is used for most other Audis from 2016 to 2013, including the A4, the A6, the TT, etc., etc. So first thing you need to do is remove any loose keys or keychains. This may interfere with what we're trying to do here. You could sort of see the battery imprint there, and I hope you could see it right there. And the battery we're using is a CR2032. It's a very common battery found anywhere and everywhere, and it's also very, very cheap. So what we need to do is remove this access door right here to get to the battery, okay? And there's a couple of tricks you need to know. So you're going to open up the key, okay? And hopefully you can sort of see it. And with your micro screwdriver, okay, there's a little bit of a tab right there, and you can sort of see it. You don't want to get your screwdriver here. You want to get your screwdriver more from the bottom of it. And the idea here is you're going to try to push the tab so you could then push this door open, this access door. So you're going to put the key, put the screwdriver there, not up there, but down there. Hopefully we can see that. Okay, and once you got it ready, then you're just going to push, and you're going to see that access door start to open up. Okay, there you go. So the access door opens up, but it's not enough. Right? And there's another place that Audi gives you, right? So you can sort of see it right over here too. There's a little bit of a gap there, and you're going to get your screwdriver, put it there, the access door. You're kind of going to use that as a little bit of leverage, and you're going to pop it open just like that. Now it should come up at this point. It should, okay? It should, there you go. It exposes the battery right here. Now what we need to do is remove the battery. You don't want to touch any of this rubber compound over there. Okay? You could deal with a little bit of your screwdriver. Okay? Pretty simple. Just pops up like that. Take this one out. Okay, remember the orientation. Right? And put that back over there. Your battery, all you're going to want to do is lock it in there and make sure it sits properly. Okay? And there you go. You may want to give this a little bit of a clean. Get some of that dust out from there. Okay. And then what you need to do is put the battery door back in. But there's a way to do it as well. You just don't want to pluck it in. You want to get it from this side onwards. Okay. You see that? Okay. And you're kind of aligning those tabs, right? So you got that. Looks like it's got a perfect fit. Now you're just going to press here and there at the same time. And just like that. You may want to give it a try. I hope you liked this video. You could also check out my other Audi videos on my Audi playlist. On the screen you'll see just a few of my Audi videos. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Handy Val channel for more Audi content. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.